What's going on, everybody? So we got another car part in. We are going to be replacing the grill with a gloss black grill. I mean, based on videos I've watched, it should be a pretty easy install, I hope. But you know, we'll go through it and hopefully it'll be super simple. So there's these little clips right here. That one I've already tried pulling out. So if you can see, there's like a little bit of a lip. I'm just using my nails. I mean, you guys can see my nails are not long and I'm able to pull them out. We're gonna pull these four out. And then I pulled one out right here. Then there's another one right there. And then we are gonna pull the weather stripping out and then we should be good to go there. Just took that guy out. Now these little trim pieces right here, right where I'm shining the light right here, got to go ahead and press those in and slowly work the thing out. And then there's some on the side and then the bottom. One thing that I will say to do is reference the tabs on your new grill, and that should hopefully give you a good idea of where they are on there, so that way you can find them to push them in and pull them out.
Need to. I thought I had it made, but I'm missing my cue. When I stay to myself, keep it on the low. When I go big, man, I don't want to throw everything away.
So with it off, you can see these little holes, where the tabs go. And then my car does not have the camera. If you do have the camera, you'll just have to end up disconnecting that. And then, you know, if you need to transfer any pieces over into your new grill, you can do that. Here's the new grill.
Big pressure, but I ain't gon' fold, I'm a real go-getter. And I still think I'ma own that vet. Pay my bills, get about that debt. Live my life, I'ma run my...
Put a little light up on there. It looks really good. It took me longer to install this thing than it did to take the other one out. Main thing was these corner ones were struggling to line up, but eventually just had to use a little bit of force and then push. It went in.
Can't let no one come and add more stress. Like you know exactly what I need. Late night tears running down my cheeks. I felt so bad trying to make ends meet, but I made me a promise I'm never gonna see me back where I was when I lacked. First of the month, couldn't pay in a trap. Lost in the sauce trying to make me a path, but I'm done with the L's and I'm never going back.
I'm so happy with the install. I think that changes the way that the front end looks. I think it looks not only meaner, but almost like one of my friends said classy. I could see that, but I really like that. I mean, that looks so good. That really looks so good. But thank you guys for tuning into another video. And again, we'll have some more videos because more parts. But the next one's gonna be awesome. The next one should be a downpipe. So that's gonna be a sweet install video. Hopefully it's gonna make the car sound really good. Based on videos I've seen, it's gonna be awesome. But thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe to tune in for more M340i content. But thank you guys. God bless. See ya.
I ain't never going back.